If you've been struggling to come up with a money making idea and you spent hours trying to brainstorm something that can make you money online and haven't found anything, then this product that I'm reviewing today is for you. The GPT-5 Profit Playbook by Barb, Ling and Becker. What is the GPT-5 Profit Playbook? Now, it's a step-by-step system by Barb, Ling and Becker that shows you how you can turn GPT-5 prompts into products, offers, and sales. And most of the times, just within a weekend. So this has been created by Barb, Ling and Becker, who are both well-known marketers who've been in the market for more than 20 years, and they've created a lot of very helpful internet marketing products. But the best part about this product is that it is focused on simplicity. It is focused on simplicity and speed so that you don't have to wait for months together before you can find results. It is absolutely fluff-free, non-theory kind of a product where you can just take the steps that are being taught in the playbook and implement the system and get started with it, often within just about a week or so. And it is built for beginners and action takers who want quick results, which is one of the best thing about this product. Now, some of the features of GPT-5 Profit Playbook. First, they teach something called as a first win framework. It basically helps you land your first sale fast. And that's why I was talking about the 1 week. Less than a week, you will get your first sale. The second one is a 4-part money prompt formula. This basically turns raw ideas into sellable offers. Then they have the third one, which is batch bank bounce method. This is a system that helps you automate income without being there on your computer glued to the screen for hours together. Then it also teaches you to scale the hustle, which shows you how to expand the income methods that you are implementing without adding stress. And they have a few bonus chapters, which includes like selling services, handling AI errors, batching content, etc. And it covers pretty much all income streams possible with GPT-5, like for example, affiliate campaigns, ebooks, email sequences, courses, social content, POD, coaching packages, and pretty much everything. Why is it that I'm recommending GPT-5 Profit Playbook? Because it's one of the easiest ebook that you can go through or system that you can go through because there is no steep learning curve involved. It is a very simple course which gives you step-by-step system that you can go and implement. Action first, designed to give you results in almost the same weekend, in less than 7 days. And it consists of simple copy-paste templates and prompts, so there is no thinking required. You can just go and duplicate the system. It is being launched at a very affordable price of only about $27, which means for the $27, you're getting all of this and it's a steal of a deal. And the best part is that it is backed by a refund guarantee, a 30-day refund guarantee, which means that if for some reason you don't find value in the product, you can always go ahead and get a refund of the money that you've paid. Who is it for? It is for beginners who want fast results without all of the tech overwhelm. If you're a side hustler, you need extra income quickly, then this is one of the best ways to get started. If you're a marketer who wants faster content creation and sales assets, then this is something that can help you. And if you are a solopreneur who's looking for a repeatable, stress-free system that can make you money, then once again, this is something that you should be looking for. My honest experience, my honest take on it, what I liked most is the practical aspect of this book. It is very practical. Instead of a lot of theory and fluff being filled into it, you get real prompts, examples, and the exact steps that are involved in implementing the system. Even if you're brand new and all that you need to do is just follow along. That's it. And something that stood out for me was the momentum factor. Once you get that first win, it becomes easier to rinse and repeat the system. And that way there is consistent income that is going to come in. And at this price point, it is almost risk free because you're backed by the money back refund guarantee. And it's a low cost investment, which I think can help you get started. You'll be able to recoup the investment in less than a week or so if you go ahead and implement the system. So if you are ready to put in the effort, now there is an effort involved. It is not a system where you just go through the playbook and money starts to come in. You will have to put in the effort. If you're ready to put in that effort, if you're ready to put in that effort required to implement the system, then the GPT-5 Profit Playbook is something that you should definitely look for. You'll be able to find a link in the description box below. Go ahead, check it out. You can use that link to get your copy of GPT-5 Profit Playbook. If you do that, then I have a few bonuses that I'm offering today. You'll be able to find a link to all of those bonuses in the description box below. Go ahead, get your copy, try it out. And if you're somebody who's been struggling to make money online, then I think this is something that will get you started. I hope you liked this review. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment below and I'll respond to all of that. And if you're new to this channel, then you might want to subscribe to this channel so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. That is all that I have. Go ahead and check it out. And that's all that I have for today. We'll see you again in my next video.